Pallets are one of those materials that show up in every homesteading and permaculture conversation as the solution to almost every DIY problem, and composting is the application where that reputation is most deserved. A wooden pallet is already a structurally engineered object. It was designed to hold significant weight, resist lateral movement, and survive the mechanical abuse of warehouse and transport environments. Those same properties make it an excellent composting enclosure material when the setup is done correctly, and the fact that pallets are free from most hardware stores, lumber yards, and distribution centers means the cost of entry for a serious 3-bay compost system is approximately nothing. The basic pallet compost setup is 4 pallets arranged in a square, standing vertically, with one pallet serving as the front face that can be removed for turning and harvest access. At this stage it functions adequately as a contained composting space and it will produce finished compost. The question most guides do not address honestly is how long that basic setup lasts under real composting conditions, the weight of wet organic material pressing outward against the walls, the freeze-thaw cycling of a temperate winter expanding and contracting the wood, and the biological decomposition that begins working on the pallet wood itself the moment it is surrounded by moist organic material. The pallets that were free and abundant when you built the bin become the pallets you are reinforcing or replacing 2 seasons later if the initial assembly was not adequately fastened. Pallets stacked and leaned against each other with no mechanical fastening develop lateral lean progressively as the material inside accumulates weight and the connections between panels loosen through seasonal movement. The bin that looks solid at construction becomes the bin that shifts, leans, and eventually fails inward at the worst possible moment, when it is full of partially finished material that needs to be turned, not relocated. The Aero PT50 pneumatic staple gun is what addresses this specific failure mode. It is an oil-free professional stapler that drives staples in a range from 1/4 inch through 9/16 inch, the specifications that cover the timber gauge of standard pallet construction. Driving staples through the pallet slats at joint intersections and at the corners where pallets meet converts what is otherwise a friction and gravity assembly into a mechanically fastened structure that does not shift through seasonal loading. The difference between a pallet bin that lasts 1 season and one that lasts 5 is almost entirely this step, and the staple gun pays for itself many times over in pallets not replaced and material not relocated during a bin failure. The link is in the description, and if you are building a pallet compost system with any seriousness, this is the tool that determines whether it is a temporary experiment or a permanent structure. For a 3-bay system, the configuration that allows simultaneous active composting, turning and curing, and finished compost storage, you need 12 pallets and approximately 2 hours of assembly. The 3-bay configuration is worth building from the start rather than expanding a single-bay system because the turning process, which is the primary mechanical action that drives composting speed, requires moving material from one bay to the adjacent one rather than removing material entirely and returning it. The physical act of turning between bays aerates the pile, redistributes moisture, and brings the outer undecomposed material into the hot center zone where microbial activity is highest. Heat generation in the pile is what tells you the system is working. A properly constructed pallet bin with correct carbon to nitrogen ratio material and adequate moisture will heat to 130 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit in the active center within 3 to 5 days of construction. That heat is produced by microbial activity, and it is the indicator that decomposition is proceeding at the rate that produces finished compost in 8 to 12 weeks rather than the year-plus timeline of cold, slow, unmanaged composting. Subscribe to Hydrohaven. The product links are in the description. See you in the next one.